This will be the main reaction at your Christmas dinner, and everyone will shower you with praise. I am going to start by cutting a carrot. Now guys, we're going to reserve the top and bottom parts. Then I will use an apple. I am going to cut it so it's balanced on the cutting board. Now we'll stick it together using a toothpick. Probably about 3 toothpicks, just to secure this carrot. Then we just center it in the middle of the apple. Having done that, now let's use a toothpick to attach it to the sides of this apple and our carrot. After that, now we add to the sides. Here I'm going to use 2 kiwis. Then I'm going to start cutting up to the toothpick and add the rest to the sides. Having done that, with our carrot all skewered, let's add some fruit. Here, I will use strawberries, purple grapes, and green grapes. We just repeat this process until the entire carrot is covered. Remember, if you want to add another type of fruit, it's up to you. After finishing with the fruit, I made an apple star for the top. I don't know much about making stars, but it's quite decorative. You just do it your way at home and look at this decorative fruit Christmas tree. It's beautiful, perfect for your personal dinner. Make it at home and I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed it. This was another recipe from the poor man in the kitchen. A big hug until next time, and thank you.